Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Heroes Battleground. So this is very easy to do. First thing you need to do is to get promo codes. What you need to do is simply open up any browser and then open Google. From here, simply search Heroes Battleground promo codes. And then from here, what you need to do is open up first three websites, such as this one, and this third one. Then open up these websites. Basically, these websites offer Heroes Battleground promo codes that you can use and get reward for free. As you can see, here are some promo codes that you can use in this first website. And on second website, there is only one code and other codes has been expired. Let's check third website. On this website, there is no currently active Hero Battleground codes. So just remove this website, use only first and second website. Now what you need to do is simply select any of this code and then copy it. And now to apply this promo codes, you need to open your Roblox. So simply open your Roblox player. Wait until this is loading. Once it opens up, what you need to do is simply open your Heroes Battleground. This will take some time to load. So just wait. From here, what you need to do is simply come to this top menu section, and from here simply select this gift icon. This will open your Game Pass shop where you can purchase VIP, private server plus, early access, kill sound, etc. But as of now, there is no option to input code in here. I've read around somewhere that they will add this feature to input code once they have reached the milestone of 500k likes. So as of now, you can't input code in this Heroes Battleground. So just simply wait for some time and they will add this feature. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.